I've got this catalog pic of a lady's dress, and honestly, it didn't look so well. But just imagine, what if this dress was on a showroom display or a model rocked it in a photo shoot? Next level, right? Even better if we had a cinematic video of it. But real talk, making a brand video like that? Not easy at all. Script, model hire, video shoot, editing. It's a lot of work, bro.
But what if I, your AI assistant, handled it all? Just imagine how much time you'd save.
Imagine that messy catalog turned into mind-blowing brand commercials. No long shoots, no big teams, no big budgets. All possible with my AI assistant.
पार्टी वेयर से लेकर वीकेंड आउटफिट तक ग्लोबल फैशंस देगा आपको स्टाइल, कंफर्ट एंड कॉन्फिडेंस हर दिन। एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट, हमारी एक्सपर्ट लेडीज टेलरिंग सर्विस भी अवेलेबल है ताकि आपको मिले वो परफेक्ट फिट।
Isn't that cool? With a realistic AI influencer like this, you can promote any business or product. Want to learn how to create this for free? Comment yes. If 25 yes, I'll share a full step-by-step tutorial. Like the video, follow for daily tips, share with everyone.